Final video to solve the problem about the Microsoft Store showing error code 0x800713AB. Are you also facing this problem where Microsoft Store won't let you download or update apps and shows error 0x800713AB? Stay with me, because this will make it simple to understand and fix. This error usually happens when your Windows account has a corrupted user profile, the store cache is broken, or a recent update caused some settings to clash. Many people get frustrated because no matter what they do, the store just keeps showing the same error. It stops downloads, updates, and makes your PC feel stuck. You may see many solutions online, but most of them are complicated. They tell you to edit registry files, create new accounts, or run long command line scripts that are hard to follow. When I faced this problem, those methods only wasted my time. But I solved it with one secret easy trick that works in just a few minutes and fixes the store completely. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Microsoft Store error 0x800713AB, just comment down below. I will show you the easiest method so you can download and update apps without any problem. And for more simple Windows fixes, stay close to my channel 0x800713AB.